Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We're trying to find the absolute pressure in a tank with a pressure gauge attached, reading 50 psi. The local atmospheric pressure is 29.1 inches of mercury from a barometer, and we have the density of mercury at 848.4 pound mass per foot cubed. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We have a tank, we have a pressure gauge at 50 psi. We're trying to find the absolute pressure. Step 2, list all the givens and what you're trying to figure out. So list the knowns and unknowns. So the knowns are 50 psi gauge. The density of mercury is 848.4 pound mass per foot cubed, and we've got the height of mercury, which is 29.1 inches. And the unknown, what we're trying to figure out, is the absolute pressure. So step 3, find the formula for absolute pressure. So PABS is the absolute pressure, is equal to PATM plus P gauge. PATM is the atmospheric pressure, P gauge is the gauge pressure. They give us the gauge pressure, so we are missing the atmospheric pressure. So the next step is find the atmospheric pressure formula. So PATM is equal to rho GH. So rho is the density. In this case, it is mercury. Height and density, these two, rho and H, are given in the question, and we assume gravity. Since this is an imperial question or an English question, we will be using the English gravity. Alright, step 5, find the atmospheric pressure. So rho GH, rho is given in the question, 848.4 pound mass per foot cubed. We assume gravity to be 32.2 feet per second squared. We do the conversion of 29 inches to feet by dividing by 12. Then we have the conversion factors, so it becomes psi, or the units that match up to psi, I suppose. So we've got 1 pound force divided by 32.2 pound mass per foot divided by second squared. And then we've got 1 foot squared divided by 144 inches squared. That will give us 14.29 psi for our local atmospheric pressure. Okay, and now we have that, we can backtrack and plug it back into the original formula that we found in step 3. So PATM plus P gauge, so 14.29 psi plus 50 psi, that'll give us 64.29 psi or 64.3 psi, rounded up to 2 dp, 2 decimal places. Disclaimers, the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. So you can do this by using the snipping tool. I'm sure most of you are familiar. For those that have never used snipping tool before, just follow these instructions. So click on the snipping tool icon found in your taskbar. If it's not found in your taskbar, you can search it using Windows search. Type in snipping tool. If you're on Mac, just use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Okay, click on the video icon, click on new, left click, drag the rectangle, cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, hit the red square once the video has finished, and then the red square will stop recording. You can now save your video. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.